I will never forgive you.
Mama, please.
I will never forgive you.
I said you will forgive.
I said I will not forgive him.
I said you will forgive.
He will die in misery.
You will forgive him.
I will never forgive him.
How dare you? I am begging you.
How dare you come into my
You
shrine?
raised your voice at me. I came to your shrine. The shrine is still the shrine of our forefathers. So you don't tell me, don't threaten me with those words. If you dare,
your ranting will not solve this problem.
oh, you think I rant?
That man will die in misery.
I am not a lion that roars without devouring. If you make me devour you, you won't like me. If you make me devour you, you won't like me. I am a woman like you, and I plead for you to have mercy upon that man. What he did, I never support. What he did wasn't good. But at least, if our chief we serve use this way to punish both of us, do you think we'll be alive today? Were you supposed, as an immortal being, to have something with the mortal? Were you supposed to service this your peckles? But no, you went because of your flesh. Please. You followed your flesh.
Please.
And became weak. And now you blame it on him.
Please.
Or instead you have to blame yourself for it.
Mama,
Don't
please.
dare it in my
Mama,
presence.
That child that says the mother will not sleep,
Mama, don't push it.
him also will not sleep.
Hey,
And you said you dance the truth.
You were beating more than you can chew. I will deal with you.
please, it has not got to.
Know your level. I will deal with you. You dare not challenge your supreme. I will deal with you.
You think you are my supreme?
I can see you want to join the punishment of this young man.
You think you are my supreme?
I will deal with you.
I laugh in the voice of my ancestors.
Mama, please. Please. At least when they say there are two people fighting, there's always one person to separate. We came to plead on behalf of the man. Mama, please come. Please. Just send that mercy and have mercy upon that man. You're supposed to aware. You're supposed to be aware. You're going to make love with a carnal human. You're supposed to know the things that need to be involved. I believe that you're supposed to see that this man will not be faithful to you. If at all you wanted to help him, you would have helped him and let him go. Not for you to think that he's going to pay you with love and think to be with you. I'm begging.
Child, what you don't know is beyond you.
Don't call me child.
When she call you child, you keep quiet.
What you don't know is beyond you. You don't know the things of the spirit.
I understand.
Neither do you understand the things of men.
I understand. He made a covenant with you with blood, isn't it? And I know what blood oath means. But I'm begging. I came all the way from Port Harcourt to down here to this place. So consider how far is that place and how far I've walked. Just because of this young man, that is why I have to be here. Please. I'm begging. Tender mercy.
I give you 3 days. 3 AK market days. You undo what you have done. If not.
Hey, this man is not ready to listen to us, I swear.
You're giving me 3 days. Let's see what you can do then. And failure to do what you want to do before that 3 days, I will kill you.
Listen, this thing that she's
I will
talking.
kill you. And I will burn your spirit. I will never forgive him.
Didn't both of you enjoy the relationship?
Shut up! How dare you speak when she speaks?
I can see that foolishness runs in your family.
Mama,
But go and tell him that I will never
please.
forgive him.
I'll put myself on the line.
Come and set my
I'm
uncle
ready.
free.
I'm ready to put myself on the line. Mama, please. I'm ready to put myself on the line. You should call and
I
undo.
came because of this boy.
Please.
He's a good man.
I'm for peace, please. I'm begging
If you don't want to look at this idiot,
I'm begging
you look at this one and have pity on him.
please.
He left his job. He left everything that puts food to his table and came here with us. Why can't you? What? No child, stand up. Child, stand up.
I'm begging you. I know there are so many, he is not aware of traditional things. He don't know how it works. Because I think he is aware, he will not do what he has done to you. But please, you should understand that he's a human. You are half spirit, half human. That is why you see, you can understand and you know what covenant means. But a human does not know. Even when they make covenants with God, they still break it. And God still understand. That is how it is. I'm begging on behalf of the young man. I'm begging on behalf of this other guy. Please, I'm begging you. Tender mercy. Please, I know I've seen so many things. I've seen the marine. That is why I know I'm able to understand what you're saying. I know the things of the spirit. The little I can. Please, I'm begging you. Tender mercy. You should not put your anger to this level. His life is at stake. If you kill him now, what will you gain at the end? This why was designed to protect peace and bring peace and protect life. Same thing as people praise to God. If people stand out here as priests to also intercede for people, not to kill. I'm begging you. Please. I don't like the calamity going on between the two of you. Please, I'm begging you.
I will never, I repeat, I will never forgive that man. He will suffer in misery till he dies. I will never forgive him. He will suffer till he dies. Then I give you. And as for you, let's see what you will do before the 3 market days. If not,
Mama, please let it not be.
If not,
Mama, let it not
I will kill you and burn your
Mama,
spirit.
let it not be to this level. Please don't push. Mama, please. Hey! Mama, she's going now. Mama, don't push it to this level. Please.
You see what I'm talking about?
If you talk.
You see what I'm talking about?
Oga, if you talk, what's your problem? Are you trying to add fire?
Upon the begging, they are begging her. She's still insisting as if the love and the relationship, if she did not enjoy
You know,
it.
after today, I'm going back. Do you understand the things of the spirit? If you do, you will not behave like this. Mama, please. We can talk to her calmly. I got you. Respect yourself.